Good morning, everyone. Now, as we have already completed most of the part of the lesson 1 of geography resources, we have also understood about the types of resources, the meaning of resources, the types of resources. Can anybody tell me the different types of resources? Yes,
Renewable resources are
Natural resources,
uh, means first you divide it into
non-renewable
broad
resources.
category. Broad category,
natural
natural, human
natural
Natural.
made,
resources,
Human made
and human, है ना?
human.
So natural resources are again subdivided into natural resources
two
again.
parts.
Yes,
Renewable.
two
Renewable
parts.
resources and non-renewable resources.
Yes, good. Renewable and non-renewable resources. Then
Non-renewable resources.
afterwards, which resource we have understood about it? Human made resource. Now, what is human made resource? Human made resource. Can anybody give me
Like
example? Yes, explain.
Buildings, road, bridges, buildings.
Hmm. Yes, yes.
Furniture, tables.
ma'am,
Huh. The things which are
ma'am, when
made
we
by
use
human
natural
beings, things or objects which are made by human beings with the help of natural resources. Natural resources को में changes ला करके they are making new resources, that is called as human made resources. For example, vehicles, machinery, buildings, bridges, है ना? And then we have also read about human resources. Now, what is human resources? Human
Ma'am,
resource.
to use natural resources and to convert it into human made is called human resources.
No, no, beta, that is sustainable development. I am asking about human resources, the third division of the resources, that is human resources. People
ma'am,
themselves.
humans,
Human resources means.
ma'am,
Yes,
when humans use the knowledge and skills to
very good.
discover and create new things.
Yes, very good. When human beings, with the help of their knowledge, skill, and abilities, they develop many new things, they discover many new things, and that is why they are also considered, people themselves are the human resources. So, what are human resources? People, human beings themselves are the resources because through their ability, knowledge, skills, and all, they develop, they innovate new things into the nature, and that is why they are considered, people themselves are considered as human resources. So I hope clear, it is clear. Now we have known about the different categories of resources, that is natural, human made, and human. Now, is it necessary to conserve these resources? Till now whatever we have understood, इससे हमें क्या समझ में आता है? We should conserve the resources or not?
And we should conserve.
Conserve.
Yes.
Conserve means to protect, to protect और बचा कर रखना, है ना? तो today's topic for understanding is conserving resources. Conserving resources means to conserve these resources, whatever resources are present in the nature, in the natural form, then whatever resources we have as a gift by God through nature, then we should have the knowledge to conserve them all also. Because if we will use them carelessly, might be in coming future we will not have those type of resources. So Mona had a nightmare. Mona had a nightmare means dream. In the night, she dreamt that all the water on the earth had dried up and all the trees are cut down. So Mona is dreaming that she has she's seeing in his dream, in her dream, that all the water on the earth is dried up. सारा पानी सूख गया है, सारे पेड़ कट गए हैं. Then what happened? There was no shade and nothing to eat or drink. No shade, nothing to eat and drink also, because no trees. If no trees, uh, rainfall will be less, and no rainfall due to the heat of the sun. All the water bodies will be dried up. So that is why people were suffering and roaming around desperately looking for food and shade. Now people were moving, roaming. Roaming means moving here and there. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह वो घूम रहे थे. And for what? For what purpose? For the food and shade. खाने और shade के लिए एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लोग घूम रहे थे. Desperately means in search of. She told her mother about the dream. Amma, can this really happen? She asked. Now the question arises that whatever she has dreamt in the nightmare, क्या जो कुछ उसने देखा है वो actually में हो सकता है? She is asking to her mother. Yes, Amma replied. If we are not careful, that even renewable resources can become very scarce. अगर हम careful नहीं हो, तो जो renewable resources, what are renewable resources? Which can replenish, which we can get fast, quickly, we can get it back. So those resources also will become scarce. Scarce means कम हो जाएंगे. जो हमें वापस से रिसोर्स नेचुरल प्रोसेस से हमें जो रिसोर्सेज खत्म हो जाते हैं नेचुरल प्रोसेस से, वो वापस से हमें जल्दी से जल्दी अवेलेबल भी हो जाते हैं हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में. वो भी रिसोर्सेज एक तरीके से कम होने लग जाएंगे because of a careless use of those resources, and the non-renewable ones can definitely get exhausted. और जो non-renewable resources है जो कि एकदम से बहुत समय लगता है, थाउजेंड ऑफ इयर्स टू रीगेन दोज रिसोर्सेज, वापस से उन रिसोर्सेज को लेने के लिए थाउजेंड ऑफ इयर्स लगता है. दे विल डेफिनेटली गेट एग्जॉस्टेड. वो एक तरीके से खत्म हो जाएंगे. एग्जॉस्टेड मीन्स खत्म हो जाएंगे नेचर से. नाउ व्हाट कैन वी डू अबाउट इट? हम क्या कर सकते हैं? दैट द क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड बाय राजू. लॉट्स रिप्लाइड अम्मा. अम्मा बोलती है बहुत कुछ हम कर सकते हैं अपने एनवायरनमेंट को, अपने नेचर को बचाने के लिए. Now, using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Now, underline this. What is resource conservation? Everybody is underlined. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed. हम जो resources use करते हैं which are available in the nature, we should use them carefully and even we should give them time to get renew. वापस से उसको renew होने में हमें समय लगता है, तो वो समय भी हम proper way से उसको दें. That is called as resource conservation, और उसी को resource conservation कहते हैं. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is sustainable development. Now this is resource conservation. Resource conservation क्या है? To use the resources carefully and giving them time to get renew. उसको वापस से बनने के लिए समय देना, proper time देना, plus हम खुद उन resources को सही तरीके से इस्तेमाल करें. That is called as resource conservation. Now balancing the needs to use resources and also conserve them for future is called sustainable development. Now this is the definition of sustainable development. You can underline this. What is sustainable development? अब sustainable development क्या है? Balancing the needs to use resources and also conserve them for future means आज जो हमें जरूरत है उतना हम resources use करें, careless use नहीं करें, but at what extent we need to satisfy our needs, we can use these resources, but we should also keep in mind to conserve them. उनको बचा कर रखना. For whom? For the future. उनको फ्यूचर के लिए बचा कर रखना. आज तो हम ऐसा नहीं कि हमें जरूरत है पानी पीने की और हम प्यासे रह जाएं और हम नहीं हम पानी ज्यादा पी लेंगे, बार बार पानी प्यास लग रही, गर्मी है ज्यादा प्यास लग रही, बार बार पानी पी रहे हैं, तो हम ये नहीं सोचेंगे कि नहीं हम पानी बचाएं, आज हम पानी नहीं पियेंगे तो पानी बचेगा क्योंकि फ्यूचर के लिए जरूरत पड़ेगी. तो जिसके ये नहीं बोल रहा है वो बिल्कुल, वो बोल रहा है कि जितना आपको नीड है वो आप अपनी नीड सेटिस्फाई करो, बट डू नॉट यूज अननेसेसरली. उसका केयरलेस यूज नहीं करो, जितना यूज है आप वो करो. प्लस you should also protect for the future use. आप फ्यूचर जनरेशन में वो काम में ले सके, इस टाइप से आप उस रिसोर्सेज को यूज करो. सो देयर आई होप दिस सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट आल्सो अंडरस्टूड कि आप आज की नीड तो फुलफिल करो ही, बट फ्यूचर के लिए भी आप उसको कंजर्व करके रखो. नाउ हियर इन ग्लॉसरी यू कैन सी द क्लियर डेफिनेशन हियर. Sustainable development, carefully utilizing resources. Utilizing means using. Carefully using the resources so that besides meeting the requirement, आज की needs जो हमारी requirements है वो fulfill करने के साथ साथ also take care of the future generation. आज की जो requirement है, of the present requirement है, वो fulfill करने के बाद उसको preserve करके रखना, उसको protect करके रखना, किसके लिए? फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए, हमारी आने वाली generations के लिए. So I hope this sustainable development definition is more clear after this glossary's explanation. So now there are many ways of conserving resources, many ways to conserve. As Amma said that yes, there are many ways to conserve resources. Each person can contribute by reducing consumption, recycling, and reusing things. So 3 R's to be followed. 3 R's to be followed. First R, reducing. Second R, recycling. Third R, reusing. So 3 R's to be followed for conserving the resources. That is reducing. We should reduce our consumption. जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल, मतलब जब ज़रूरत नहीं है तो हमें उसका यूज नहीं करना है. रिसाइकिल मीन्स कोई हमने यूज कर लिया है तो उसको फेंकना नहीं है, उसका कुछ और अच्छी तरीके से हम अगर काम में ले सकते हैं उस सब्सटेंस को, तो हम उसे उस टाइप से यूज में लेना है. एंड रीयूजिंग देम, और उनको वापस से काम में ले सकते हैं. Now ultimately it makes a difference because all our lives are linked. हमारी एक दूसरे की लाइफ एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड है. That is why it is necessary to conserve the resources, because once the resources will be exhausted, एक future में resources अगर आज हम careless use करेंगे, resources का इस्तेमाल सही ढंग से नहीं करेंगे, तो the future generation might be will not be able to have these types of resources. वो ये use नहीं कर पाएंगे आज की resources जो हम use कर रहे हैं. So that evening the children, now what the children did that evening, that evening the children and their friends made packets and shopping bags out of old newspaper. Now they are making old newspapers are there, discarded clothes means पुराने कपड़े, purane newspaper, they are using these to make the shopping bags and basket from bamboo sticks. Bamboo sticks जो है उससे वो baskets weave कर रहे हैं. So these are the ways in which children are helping to conserve our environment, our nature. So we will give a few to every family. We know, said Mona. Now Mona is saying that we will make many shopping bags with the newspaper and discarded clothes and all, and we will also make baskets of bamboo sticks, and we will give it to every family so that they can also use the same. After all, it is for the very good cause, said Mustafa. Mustafa is saying that this is for the good cause. What is the good cause? Good cause is to conserve the nature, to save our resources and to keep our earth alive. Means the good causes to save our resources. जो हमारे आज resources हैं और substances हैं nature में, वो हम उनको conserve करना, उनको save करना, plus to keep our earth alive, ताकि हमारी जो earth है वो एक तरीके से alive रह सके, जिंदा रह सके. So I am going to be very careful not to waste paper, said Jessie. Now Jessie is taking an oath. वो ये बोल रही है जैसी कि I will not waste paper and many trees. Why Jessie will not going to waste paper? Because many trees are cut down to make paper. Paper बनाने के लिए बहुत सारे पेड़ों को काटना पड़ता है. That is why Jessie is saying that I will make careful use of the paper. I will not waste paper now. I will see the electricity is not wasted in my house. Now, Mustafa is saying that he is going to see that electricity is preserved. Electricity is not wasted. Now, electricity comes from water and coal. Water and coal are natural resources. So, to conserve these natural resources, water and coal. Mustafa is saying that he is going to conserve or not waste electricity also. I will make sure that water is not wasted at home, said Asha. So now Asha is also telling that from her side, he is not going to waste the water at home. And because every drop of water is precious nowadays, you see, in summer season, you need lot of water, plenty of water, and if careful use of water is not there, you will waste water like that only daily, washing, cleaning and all. You will use excessive water, then what will happen? One day, the day will be there that in the newspaper you will see the lines कि आज पानी की supply नहीं होगी, just to conserve the water, है ना? So these things are happening. So every drop of water is precious for each and every one. So we should help our nature, our earth, our society to conserve the natural resources by our small actions. छोटे छोटे काम करके हम बहुत कुछ हेल्प कर सकते हैं रिसोर्सेज बचाने के लिए. Now together we can make a difference. Course the children. Course the children means एक साथ बोलना. बच्चे सब एक साथ, स्टूडेंट सारे एक साथ बोले कि यस, हम सब एक साथ मिलकर के बहुत कुछ रिसोर्सेज बचा सकते हैं. Now these are some of the things Mona, Raju and their friends did. अब ये सब कुछ बातें ये मोना और उसके फ्रेंड्स ने करी, राजू वगैरह ने. Now what about you? Can you also help to conserve resources? How are you going to help in conserving resources? आप किस तरीके से help कर सकते हैं conserve resources की? You should think about these questions also. That if Asha, Raju, and Mona can help out to conserve the resources for the future generation, and then what about you? How can you contribute from yourself to conserve the resources? Now, the future of our planet and its people is linked with the ability of maintain and preserve the life support system that nature provides. अब nature जो हमारे को life support system provide करता है. Life support system means the trees, the nature around us, the plants and all, the environment, the oxygen and all. So the future of our planet depends on all the people, how they uh, help out to maintain and preserve the life support system. That is how they preserve our nature. Therefore it is a duty to ensure. So अब कैसे बचा सकते हैं? So it is that few duties are for us. Which are these duties? All uses of renewable resources are sustainable. ये हमारे को ध्यान रखना है कि all renewable resources which we can get back quickly are sustainable. Are sustainable means we should use today to satisfy our daily requirement, but we should also see that they are carefully protected and conserved for the future use. ठीक है ना? So this can be done. Second, the diversity of the life. Diversity of the life on the earth is preserved. Diversity on the life means different types of plants, different species of animals. They are present on the earth and they should also be conserved. अगर ये plant life, animal life और जितने भी nature में present है, natural environment में जो things present है, अगर हम उनको conserve करके रखेंगे, then we can help a lot to conserve, to save our earth. Then the damage to natural environment system is minimized. कम से कम हम नुकसान करें, जहां तक हो हम अपने environment को damage होने से बचाएं. This thing we can do all these things to conserve our natural resources. Now these are very important. Sorry. Some principles of sustainable development. You can underline this. Principles of sustainable development. What are the principles of sustainable development? Now, principles of sustainable development is first, respect and care for all forms of life. We should have respect and we should show respect and care for all forms of life. That means चाहे वो जानवर हो, चाहे वो plant life हो, चाहे वो insects हो, we should show respect, we should take care of them properly and we should protect them, save them. Then second, improve the quality of human life. Human life की quality भी हमें improve करनी है by improving our knowledge, skills and ability, है ना? So third, conserve the earth's vitality and diversity. Earth की vitality और diversity भी हमें conserve करके रखनी है. Earth की Diversity or vitality means the greatness, the richness of the earth that is in the form of nature, and in different varieties it is present. The things are present in different varieties. Diversity means different groups are there, of plant life, animal life, and all. So we should all preserve that. Then minimize the depletion of natural resources. कम से कम हम natural resources का मीन्स हार्म करें, जहां तक हो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को हम हार्म खत्म होने से बचाएं. फिर नेक्स्ट, चेंज पर्सनल एटीट्यूड एंड प्रैक्टिसेस टुवर्ड्स द एनवायरनमेंट. हमारा जो पर्सनल एटीट्यूड है, जो हमारे एक्शंस हैं, हमारा वर्किंग है, दैट शुड बी ऑल टू सेव द एनवायरनमेंट. क्लियर? सो हमें वो चेंज, अगर हम डैमेज कर रहे हैं किसी तरह से हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को, जिससे कि इन कमिंग फ्यूचर दीज रिसोर्सेज गेट एग्जॉस्टेड, खत्म हो जाएंगे, तो हमें अपना एटीट्यूड चेंज करने की जरूरत है. देन एनेबल कम्युनिटीज टू टेक केयर फॉर देयर ओन एनवायरनमेंट. और हमारे जो ग्रुप ऑफ सोसाइटी में भी है, सोसाइटी में भी हमको उनको अवेयर करना है, लोगों को, ताकि वो भी एनवायरनमेंट को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकें. आई होप ऑल दीज आर क्लियर. द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. Everybody understood the lesson carefully,
Yes, ma'am.
nicely. सब कुछ समझ में आ गया? Now for the
Yes, ma'am.
question and answers. Okay, today in student portal I am going to upload the question answers PDF, so you can do the work in the notebook very neat handwriting. Plus be careful for the spellings and all. स्पेलिंग्स वगैरह भी गलत नहीं होनी चाहिए, ठीक है ना? अच्छे से पीडीएफ उतार लीजिए. और विद द सेम नोटबुक, वन सिंगल नोटबुक शुड बी देयर. एक सिंगल नोटबुक होगी जिसमें आपने हिस्ट्री का काम किया था. द सेम नोटबुक यू आर गोइंग टू यूज, एंड वेयर द हिस्ट्री वर्क इज कंप्लीटेड. इस पेज पे हिस्ट्री का काम कंप्लीट हुआ, देन with the next page only you will start the geography work, writing the heading geography lesson 1 and name of the lesson resources. आ रहा समझ में कैसे काम करना है? आपको पेजेस नहीं
Yes,
छोड़ना
ma'am.
है, पेजेस नहीं छोड़ना है, नोटबुक का डिवीजन नहीं करना है. as soon as you complete history work, in this page you completed history work, next page, the very next page you will start with the geography work in neat and correct words. Clear? जो भी पीडीएफ में दिया है. Now coming to the tick the correct answer. Now tick the correct answer, you are going to do it in the book itself. Mark in the book just now. Which one of the following does not make substance or resource?
Quantity.
Quantity. Yes, good.
Quantity.
Yes, you can mark it here, quantity. And be careful, does not make substance a resource. Does not or लिखा not. ठीक है ना? तो quantity. Now which one of the following is human made resource?
Medicine to treat
Medicine
cancer.
to treat cancer.
Yes, human made resources,
Medicine to treat.
medicines to treat cancer. Clear? Next is complete the statement. Non-renewable
Which
resources
have
are?
limited.
Those which have
Which
Those who have
limited
limited stock.
Yes,
Those who have
those
limited
which
stock.
have limited stock. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now this tick the correct. You have to do it in the book itself and in the till here everybody is clear. So
Yes, ma'am.
I'm removing this
Yes, ma'am.
PDF. इसमें से PDF हटा रही हूँ मैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Next PDF I'm showing of the question answers. Okay. Wait a second. Yes. Now this is the question answers PDF. The same way you are going to write down geography lesson 1 resources. Very short question answers you are doing. You will do 5 or 1 to 5. Then short question answers you will give the heading also. Short question answers. Then you will do the short and then long. 3 are long. Principles of sustainable development. Do it in neat handwriting and notebook में अच्छे से करके रखना. Anytime notebook will be asked. This time notebook will be asked for correction. Okay. तो अच्छे से काम कर लेना neat and clean handwriting में without any spelling mistake. And if you are not able to follow anything, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है, then definitely you can ask in the next class. Clear? So this is clear now? This PDF?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm इसको भी हटा रही हूँ मैं. This PDF will be uploaded in student portal. Okay. Now in our next class, you should be prepared with civics book. Which book?
Civics
Civics
book.
book. We
Civics
are,
books, the Indian
yes.
Constitution.
We are going to start lesson 1, that is the Indian Constitution. Clear? Indian Constitution. We are going to start with Indian Constitution in our next class. Till then, try to complete the work from the PDF. Learn the question answers also. Okay? I hope everything is clear now related to these
Yes, ma'am.
question
Clear.
answers and all.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now, wait a second. So that's all for today. Before leaving the class, please type once again present in the chat box for your attendance. Now, whose name will be here in the chat box, I will mark attendance for that, because few are from the waiting room only, they are moving out. They are not writing present here in the chat box. So please type present in the chat box, okay? And that's all for today. With the civics book, we will meet in our next class. Thank you.
Ma'am,